Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying that your handset supports Airtel 5G and that firmware is up to date. This prevents compatibility issues later. Once done, confirm Airtel 5G coverage where you use data most, because signal is location dependent. Next, prepare the SIM tray tool and identification if you need a physical SIM swap or eSIM registration. This speeds up the process at a store. Finally, backup contacts and note current APN and network mode settings so you can restore them if needed. You now request 5G access via the Airtel Thanks app or by using the carrier's UST option. This triggers plan activation on your account. Then, open mobile network settings and change network mode to prefer 5G or 5G/4G/3G so the radio prioritizes the new network. If Airtel sends a carrier update or eSIM profile, install it. Such profiles tune APN and authentication. Make sure to restart your phone after these updates, because many network changes require a reboot to take effect. You finish by confirming the 5G icon appears and running a speedtest to validate throughput. Test outdoors or near a window, as 5G can be spotty indoors. If you don't see 5G, first remove and reinsert the SIM, toggle airplane mode, and reboot. Make sure network mode still includes 5G. As a key troubleshooting tip, if nothing works, reset network settings and contact Airtel with your IMEI and account details, or visit a store for a SIM swap. This often resolves provisioning or SIM band issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.